What it do, broski? It's your main man, DaveyMcFlyy, Two Wise Men, aka the lace guy, you know what I'm saying? Back, finna drop off that broski, you know what I'm saying? I ain't did this in a minute, man. We ain't did this in a minute, bro, so all my OGs, youngins, day ones, new members alike, bro, major salute to you. Shout out to y'all for one, bro. We hit that like button for you, boy. Y'all know I need 100 on.
You know the vibes.
What you got next?
I don't even know. Yeah. You know the vibes of whoop-dee.
I only need 100 likes, bro, on the video. Take off on its own. I just said video. I don't know what that is, but if I get 100 likes on this jump, you know what I'm saying? Hey, it'll do good. It'll do good. YouTube will rock with you, boy. How they been doing, and I appreciate all y'all support, man. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and notified with a notification bell turned on all, broski. I don't want y'all to miss none of that fun, man. If you've been rocking out for me, you know what I'm saying? If you've been mobbing out for me for a minute, bro, hey, go ahead and become a member, broski. You know what I'm saying? So we can rock out with all the emojis, have a whole lot of fun in the live streams and the premieres, broski. And it come with some mob ties too. But yeah, all that out the way, man. How y'all doing today, bro? Hope y'all having a good day, broski. For real, for real. Anytime to drip some sauce, just like the podcast. And that's why I need y'all to be live. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe and notified so you don't miss when we drip the sauce live too. You know what I'm saying? On the live stream, bro, I put the ear lace game down. You know what I'm saying? The ear loose lace game down on these ones. And the homie said I should bring back the How to Lace series. No problem. No problem, you know what I'm saying? It's 2020, bro. It's a lot of new sneakerheads out there. They may not know the why, the how, or you know what I'm saying, the rhyme and the reason why we do how we do things around here. So, you know what I'm saying, why sneakerheads and myself loose lace their shoes and how. You know what I'm saying? Very, very simple. Check it out. For one, it look good. For one, it look good. Break necks all day. Draw attention to the shoe. You know what I mean? It look really, really good, bro. In a casual setting only. Remember, in a casual setting, bro. Not running around, you know what I'm saying? You just chilling, cooling, yeah. That's the way to go. Good loose lace job. You can't beat it, cuz. For real. So, I either loose lace my Jordan 1s or go with the DS loop, but here lately I've been mainly loose lacing. You know what I'm saying? Not only do it look good, it prevent creases in your sneakers. You know what I'm saying? Get a little bit more life, get a little bit more shelf life, get a little bit more wears out your joints before they go crazy. Now the best thing about Air Jordan 1s, they look good, beat up or fresh. But if you want to keep them a little fresher, a little longer, you know what I'm saying, go with a loose lace job. Actually came up with some rules, bro, because people getting it twisted. Like, people always get it twisted. Rule number 1, man, woman, cat, dog, female, frog, duck, female, truck, UFO, you know what I'm saying, camel, Tasmanian devil, you know what I'm saying, peace for a rebel. It don't matter, bro. The person who bought the shoes, that's who has to say and how you should lace it. Rule number 2, there's no right or wrong way to lacing your shoes. You know what I'm saying? Do what feel comfortable to you. Do what's gonna make you look good, cause at the end of the day, it's all about how you feel. If you feel like you look good, then you're gonna walk around with the confidence, and you know what I'm saying, that's gonna exude through your aura, if that makes sense, or if I use the right words. You know what I'm saying? Peep game. Rule number 3, if you don't like me, you don't like what you see. Fuck on, bitch. Away from here. I don't like negativity, bro. But now all that out the way. With the loose lacing job, bro, yeah, it prevent creases by releasing stress on the pressure points or the stress points or the crease points of the sneaker. You know what I'm saying? It's high crease areas in the sneaker where it's gonna come naturally. You can't really get nowhere around it. But if you loose lace the sneaker, it won't happen. So that's why, you know what I'm saying, you see sneakerheads who been doing it for a while, just, you know what I'm saying, some guys just ain't lacing their shoes, cause for one, bruh, if you got over 100 shoes in your collection, bro, it's gonna come to a point where you get tired of laces, period. You know what I'm saying? You'll start walking around like Will Smith without no laces. If it's like an inner sock booty or something that would maintain the lockdown on the sneaker. But other than making it look good, it just really stretch out the life of the shoe, bro. With the creases and all that. And all I do is just loosen it up, you know what I'm saying? Like peep how I try to, the look that I try to give it, right? Big, then go small, but loose all the way down. Like, I like to try to make a V, so at least it has some kind of symmetry to it, like some kind of shape, some kind of method to the madness. So I play with it with my fingers until it, you know what I'm saying, the laces make that like little V down to the shit how I want it to. Take the shoehorn out, you know what I mean? Put it on my foot. And we good money. We good money. We ready to rock and roll. Super fresh to me, you know what I'm saying? Let me hit y'all with a quick 360. And for the homies who just literally can't take loose lacing and it gotta be tied, I'll show y'all how to rock a DS loop on these joints too, towards the end. And you can't beat a good DS loop too. But yeah, I'm just making sure it's, you know what I'm saying, a little bit looser. I like mine to look fat. Like when I put my Jordan 1s on, I want them to look like skateboard shoes kind of. That's the look that I go for a person, you know what I'm saying? Super clean though, check them out. Bam. Quick 360, let's go. Yeah, man, that's how them loose laces come out pretty clean in my opinion, like super clean. Ugh, got some dust on my flow. I need to sweep my flow. But yeah, bro, and for those who want to learn that DS loop, you know what I'm saying, we're gonna go down one on the laces, cause you're gonna need some room. Take that up out of there and watch my fingers, bro. Two fingers. Wrap it around the back. Look at the back of my fingers. You see how they come together? I make a loop around the back. Take my fingers out the way. And there go your DS loop. Step by step. Simple. Very, very simple, bro. And that's another way I rock them, just in case, like, you can't get jiggy with the loose laces. And like I said, rule number one, the person who buy your shoe, that's who had to say and how they lace. So, say you want a cool way to wear your joints, but you don't want to tie them up and wear that bow tie like a sucker, you know what I'm saying? You don't want to walk around like no bow tie like a little girl. So your mom be like, hey boy, tie your shoes. You went around loose lace, you know what I'm saying? Typically mom dukes be like, hey, tie your shoes. If your mom dukes bought your shoes, bro, you might want to tie them up. But I got a little bit of game for a line too, you know what I'm saying? Not to say you lying, but that's just the slang. Watch how I do these things, bro. Same move. Same move. 2 fingers. Bam. Wrap them around. Bring them around town. Look at the back. You see them? Pull the strings around. Make that loop around the back. Bring it through. And move your fingers. Make that loop. Bam. Step by step. DS loops. And honestly, this look just as clean as the loose lace in my opinion. So yeah, bro, we'll get another quick little 360. You get on up out of here, man. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's how you do it, bro. All my OGs, youngest, day ones, new members alike, man, enjoy y'all day, broski. For real. For my family, yours, doop. Peace.